Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
Drivers working autonomously here. Two robots attempting to place some coral. Blue Alliance got one robot attempting to place some coral. We'll see if anyone can connect. 24-23, those are the Quarks loading up with even more coral from their human player here. Drivers take control here. Blue Alliance getting the early lead, 9-6, earning a few points for getting those 3 mobility points. 62-01, driving over. They've got a piece of coral in their robot. They're lining up, going to the sky, trying to place a little high, falls in the center of the reef. The Quarks, their alliance partners, also trying to connect with that reef. Trying to get everything just right. We see our Blue Alliance here also trying to get their first pieces of coral scored onto that reef. It looks like 2084. Those are the robots by the sea. They're gonna try and get. They knocked some algae off the tree there. Fantastic work. Blue Alliance first just score, getting some algae placed into the processor, and then the Red Alliance answering by placing that algae up in the net. Great cooperation between our two teams. 62-01 attempting to align here. They've got a piece of coral. Will they get that up in place? Going to the top, L4. They do a successful delivery there. Another piece of coral placed by the Highlanders. The Quarks working on level 3 on that close face, going back to their human players, trying to just add more and more coral onto the reef. The Griffins, they're going up to level 4, placing more coral on. That's a third piece of coral for our Blue Alliance. We see Blue Alliance has managed to activate cooperation. They've gotten 3 pieces of algae into that processor there. Red Alliance helping them get it up into the net to be processed. With 38 seconds now left in the match, the Highlanders placing another piece of coral up onto L4 here. Going back to the backside of the reef. They're reaching up with 27 seconds left. Trying to make sure they are perfectly aligned. They do. Get that nice and done. They're going to try and see if they can make their way over to the cages here. The Highlanders, the Quarks going first, getting all the way up off the ground. The Highlanders doing the same, joining them, swinging from the chandelier here on our Blue Alliance. 47-61, those are the Robotics. They're back in for a park. We got robots by the sea in for a park. Griffins unable to make it back in time. Swimming away to victory, 99-73. Our Red Alliance there earning 4 ranking points in that match. 3 ranking points for the win and 1 for the barge. They had those successful